tongue catcher.
Okay. So for those of you that are new, we hope to bring our world into your kitchen. And I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. Drum roll. Cuban potaje. And for those of you that know what it is,
Translation is black beans. Cuban black beans.
they're amazing. They're so easy to make. We are going to make them very easy because we're doing them in the Instant Pot.
And we're doing it Ian and Eileen's way.
Yes.
It's the best way.
Yep, so we could save time. We could go play, do some other stuff while it's baking, while it's cooking, and then we just eat it. So now the kitchen rules. Kitchen rules are: make sure you wash your hands, your work area is clean, you have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself, and that's bad. But the most important rule of the kitchen is Jello Day. I'm taking that for later. So let's try that again. The most important rule of the kitchen is set the fuss. Bam! So now let's get cooking. So now these are the ingredients.
Well, some of the ingredients.
Yes. We're gonna need beans. We always use goya beans, and if you live in Cuba, you have to make sure that you get like any rocks.
Mexico and other countries.
Yeah, rocks or trash, but ours are pretty clean.
Yes, here they come pretty clean, but we still need to rinse them and make sure they're completely clean.
Yes, we're gonna need a shifter and water. 5 cups of water.
And we're gonna need our Jello.
Wait.
It will be serving for our sazon goya. Kidding. Our sazon goya.
This is for dessert, Ian. Okay.
We're gonna need our green bell pepper, our onion, 2 bay leaves, salt, minced garlic, and our oil.
2 tablespoons of oil.
Yep,
Okay.
yep.
So now, let's get cooking. Okay. So now, I'm going to show you how to use your Instant Pot, and we already rinsed our beans. Okay, so we're going to put it on saute. And then, to put it to low, you're going to go to adjust and tap it until you go to less. That means low.
Low.
Can you show me again, please?
Yeah, let me go back.
So you're going to tap saute, and then you're going to go to adjust and tap it until you get to less.
Oh, I see that.
Yeah.
The little light was moving from the middle to the, okay, and then now it's in low.
So, and then we're going to put our stuff.
Okay, and we're doing that because we just want it to be warm and we don't want to crisp to get our, to burn our stuff, because we just want to saute our onion with the bell pepper, and we need to make sure we don't burn it.
If we burn it,
Like it already happened. Okay, so just to prevent things from burning, we have to use it in the low setting. You guys are learning a lot.
wait, where's the goya? Ian, you have to stop taking it. And
Magic! Now it's in hot. So now it's in hot, so we're gonna put our oil.
careful, Ian. And our beans are already rinsed.
So we're gonna put them aside.
Bye-bye, frijolitos. So now we're gonna pour our white onion. You can use any onion.
Oh, so we have to wait until the translucent to put our green bell pepper.
No, you do them at the same time. It's fine.
So we're gonna cook our onion for 1 minute and then add our green bell pepper. So we're starting to hear our onions sizzling. So now we're gonna add our green bell pepper. that, that means that the onion and the bell pepper are ready. So now we're gonna add our seasonings.
So that's a good way for them to know when it's ready. So you won't have to be timing your onion and your bell pepper. So now we gotta pour the garlic, the salt, and the goya, and your bay leaves.
Well,
and when is we're gonna know that it's ready?
When you start smelling all of your seasonings. And you have to make sure you're looping it because you don't want your garlic to get burnt.
Garlic burns fast. That's the reason why we put it in saute in a low, less heat. You're missing your bay leaves.
Salt.
Okay. So we want to cook it until we smell the seasoning. Okay. So keep stirring. Thank you, Ian.
So I'm smelling my seasonings, and now I'm going to take out 2 scoops of our sofrito for later.
Not your bay leaves, though.
Not the bay leaves. 1, 2.
Okay, so now we're gonna pour our beans into our...
Set that aside.
Yes.
We're still going to use it, but not right now. Nice.
That was heavy.
Okay, now we're gonna mix the beans with
The sofrito.
all of our sofrito, and then we're gonna pour our 5 cups of water. And we're adding 5 because these beans don't have that much juice, and plus my husband doesn't like juice, so.
Yeah.
Okay, so once they're mixed completely, we're gonna pour our water.
This looking good?
Yes.
Smells so good.
So, Ian, turn off the saute where it says in the red one. Okay, now let's pour.
Ow.
Oh, Aileen is like, I can't stop smelling this. Okay, let's pour our water. Do you need help, Ian?
Nope. Nope. Okay. Nice, Ian. Whoa.
Nice. Okay, now mix everything together.
Well, that took all of the like all the sizzling just stopped automatically.
Oh, why? Because water is
This
cold.
food is turning orange.
Okay, so now we're gonna close our Instant Pot.
And let it,
Where's the?
and we're gonna let it cook for
40 minutes. And we're gonna let it sit 15 minutes after so we can be able to open the Instant Pot. Make sure it's on seal.
Manual.
Wait, no, we're putting on manual.
Yes,
Oh, wait,
40
yeah,
minutes.
40 minutes. Oh, you put 41.
Oh, 40 or 41?
40, right? So we'll see you when it's done. Let's go play. So our beans are ready, and these are the rest of the ingredients.
We're gonna need our salt, cumin, oregano, and parsley.
We're gonna pour it. And we're gonna need
Vinegar.
white vinegar.
Then we're gonna need our
The rest of our
Rest of
sofrito.
that we save.
Mix it all up.
And make sure you taste it again. And if you need more salt, add more salt. We just added 1 teaspoon of salt. And then what is what we're gonna do, Aileen?
We're gonna get half a cup of our beans, and we're gonna smush it up. Let me get the beans. So I got my beans. We're gonna put them in a bowl, and we're gonna smush it up.
And we remove the bay leaves. Don't forget to remove them.
You're gonna smush them like baby puree. So we added a little more liquid into our bean puree because it was a little hard for us to smush. So we have it here. Now we're gonna pour it into our beans.
And we're gonna add additional 7 more minutes to it.
You have to mix them a little.
This is gonna get your beans creamy.
Yes, this Cuban beans are a little creamy. They're not too liquidy. And then we're gonna cover it now, baby. 7 more minutes.
Alright. 7 minutes. And make sure it's still at sealed.
Yes, and then after it's done, just let it sit until it releases all the pressure, and then you open it.
This is gonna take a while.
7
There you go.
Oh, perfect.
So while everything was cooking, we already made some white rice and some plantains. So we see you in 7 minutes.
Yep. So our potaje is ready. It's so good. So now we're gonna taste it. So
And-
in Cuba, how they eat it is they put the potaje on top of the rice, like this.
And then they go.
Let's taste. Delicioso.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Yep. So I hope you guys love this amazing potaje recipe. It's amazing. And remember, you don't have to leave your beans soaking in water overnight. You can just use your Instapot and you have perfect beans every time. Right? Ian?
Also, what is a dog's favorite pizza?
Pizza? Dogs eat pizza? Anchovy pizza?
What? The four meat pizza. Pizza.
Pepperoni pizza.
Oh, instead of pepperoni, it's pop-aroni. Nice, Ian. So now, I thank all of you for watching our videos and supporting us. We hope you guys love all these amazing recipes, including this one.
And
Bye! Make sure to subscribe, big thumbs up, and ring the bell. Ding! I hope you put a smile on your face. Bye!